Welcome to our coffee maker comparison. Today, we will dive into the features and functionalities of two popular coffee makers, the Keurig K-Classic and the Ninja 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Brewer. We'll explore their brewing methods, batch sizes, and unique features to help you make an informed decision. The Keurig K-Classic utilizes K-Cup pods, allowing for quick and convenient single-serve brewing. In contrast, the Ninja 12-Cup Brewer uses ground coffee, providing more control over the brewing process and the ability to brew larger quantities. This difference in brewing method caters to different coffee preferences and lifestyles. When it comes to batch size, the Keurig K-Classic is designed for single-serve brewing, making it perfect for quick coffee fixes. On the other hand, the Ninja 12-Cup Brewer can brew up to 12 cups at once, making it ideal for entertaining guests or for families who enjoy multiple cups of coffee throughout the day. The Keurig K-Classic focuses on simplicity and speed, allowing users to brew a cup of coffee in under a minute. In contrast, the Ninja 12-Cup Brewer offers programmable brewing options and an adjustable warming plate, giving users more control over their coffee experience. These features cater to different user preferences and needs. In conclusion, both the Keurig K-Classic and the Ninja 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Brewer have their unique strengths. If you value convenience and speed, the Keurig may be the right choice for you. However, if you prefer brewing larger quantities and appreciate programmable features, the Ninja could be the better option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coffee maker comparisons.